Welcome to my channel. I am here with clear explanation and somewhat detailed explanation of Union Budget 26-27, which is presented on 1st February 2026 with a special focus on income tax changes and how they affect us. The speech concludes after 83 minutes. Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has presented the budget. New Income Tax Act will implement from April 1, and there is tax relief for accident victims. So first we start discussing budget point by point. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. So first point is fiscal and economic priorities. Fiscal deficit of financial year 26-27 is set at 4.3% of GDP, underscoring continued focus on fiscal discipline while supporting growth. Online stock and share trading capital expenditure, that is called CapEx, is increased further to expand infrastructure spending on roads, railways, ports, and logistics. Online stock and share trading. Higher CapEx boosts job creation and long-term productivity, while controlled deficits help keep inflation and interest rate stable. Second point is infrastructure and connectivity boost. There is major push for high-speed rail corridors, national waterways, and logistical networks to reduce transport costs and improve connectivity nationwide. Third is strengthening manufacturing, and India's semiconductor mission 2 launched with enhanced funding to reduce dependence on imports and build chip manufacturing capacity. Support for sectors like textiles, electronics, rare earth materials to enhance global competitiveness. Then fourth point is agriculture and rural reforms. New tech initiatives like Bharat Bistar, an AI-powered multilingual tool to help farmers to access critical data and guidance. Continued credit support and rural infrastructure focus is also in budget. Fifth point is health and biotech push. Launch of Biopharma Shakti with 10,000 crore to strengthen India's biopharmaceutical sector and boost healthcare and research. Sixth is corporate and finance sector reforms. Increase safe harbor limit for IT services from 300 crore rupees to 2,000 crore to reduce compliance security for larger firms. Changes to promote bond market depth and allows NRIs more streamlined investment into Indian equities is also there. Seventh point is MSME support. Rupees 10,000 crore MSME growth fund announced to help micro, small and medium enterprises to deal with global tariff pressures and expand operations. Taxation, focus on compliance and relief. Income tax slabs and a structure which is very important and interest for all. The budget did not change income tax slabs for 26-27 but maintained the structure introduced in the previous year under the new tax regime. Under the new regime, financial year 25-26, it was 0 to 4 lakh, there is nil, no tax. Rupees 4 to 8 lakh, 5% tax. 8 to 12 lakh, 10% tax. 12 to 16 lakh, 15% tax. Rupees 16 to 20 lakh, 20%. 20 to 24 lakh, 25%, and above 24 lakh, there is 30% of tax. The old regime still exists, and taxpayers can opt for it also if they think it is more beneficial. Even without slab changes this year, under the new regime, middle income taxpayers benefit from higher exemption threshold and simplicity. Point 9, other income tax benefits, compliance and eases, standard deduction and rebate. A higher standard deduction of rupees 75,000 instead of rupees 50,000 under the new regime means many middle-class taxpayers may effectively pay zero tax up to 12.75 lakh of income after deduction or rebate. Administrative changes, extended filing windows, Individual can revise income tax returns up to 31st March instead of 31st December, which was previously the deadline, with a nominal fee. Staggered deadlines for return filing and easier compliance timeliness to reduce errors and litigation. Nil deduction certificate. New nil deduction certificate for small taxpayers will be issued automatically to reduce unnecessary tedious deductions. TCS and international payments. Tax collected at source is called TCS. For foreign travel packages reduced to 2%, making overseas expenses cheaper. It will help students and travelers abroad. Other direct taxes, changes in TDS on immovable property for NRIs, and post reassessment updates aimed at reducing litigation and improving compliance. Ease of doing business and litigation reduction is also there. Several reforms aim to simplify tax assessments, integrate penalty and other assessment orders, and allow updates to return even after reassessment orders and allow updates to return even after reassessment begins, reducing disputes. So, big picture of budget 26-27 focuses on growth through infrastructure and manufacturing, tax simplification, and supporting households and businesses while maintaining fiscal prudence and easier tax compliance. That's all. I will get more, I will bring more. Thank you.